Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, welcome again in this EVS class. And we have already started our chapter number 5, which is Animal World. Okay, so in Animals World, we are studying about the various kind of animals. And some of the animals are big and small, and according to their size, according to their food habits also we have studied about different animals, because different animals take different type of food. Okay, and after that we have studied about the movements of animals. Different animals can move differently, like this is a bird and bird can fly, and this cow can walk with the help of 4 legs, and kangaroo can hop or jump with their two hind legs which are at the back. Okay, and different animals have tail of different type. You can see its tail is different type. This bird has different type of tail, and kangaroo uses its tail for balancing the body. Okay, so in this way different animals uses different body parts to move or for the movement. And about lizard also we have studied in special here in this box, in which always some special information is given. So lizard can shed its tail when it feels that some danger is there, or this is the way to escape by the lizard safely. Okay, so about these all the things I have explained you already, and now we are studying about the insects. And children, what are the insects? Insects are those creatures which have 6 legs, and insects have one more characteristic feature, means they can fly with the help of wings. And how many wings are present in insects? 2 pairs of wings, means 2 at the front and 2 at the back. And third characteristic feature of insects is the presence of antennae, means a pair of antennae are present at the head of insects. With the help of that they can smell, feel or taste. So after that I have explained you about the body of insects, means insect's body is divided into 3 parts. This front part is called head, from where these antennae comes out and eyes are also present, and middle part of the insect, which is behind the head, that is called thorax. And after thorax, this hind part of insect is called, or back, the part which is at the back, that is called abdomen. So its body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. So after that we have studied about the honeybees. Honeybees are social insects, and they always live in a beehive, and they collect nectar from the flowers, and which converted into honey by these bees.